Hello everyone, this is a single page application for system that I made according to MVC architecture for a juice bar. Here you can see the code set for the controller module and view parts for my Bootstrap POS system. This is customer controller code and this is item controller code. This is login controller part. This is a sign up controller and this is order controller. This is customer model, item model, orders model and sign up model. This is the index part of my POS system. I used HTML, CSS, JavaScript and mainly Bootstrap and jQuery to build this. This is my home section. You have two options. If you have an account, you can log in here. Otherwise, you need to sign into the system. You can create a new account by entering your first name, last name, password and confirm password. This is the customer page. The customer ID is automatically generated. You can save a customer by entering their name, address and phone number. Those details will be added to a table. You can also update and delete their details. This is the item page. The item ID is auto-generated. You can save an item by giving the item name, quantity and price. They are added to a table. You can also update and delete the details of that item. This is the order form. The order ID and date are auto-generated. When a customer selects it, the relevant details are auto-filled. From here, you can select an item. Then the details of the item are auto-filled. Then we can place an order by giving the quantity. It is added to this table. Then you can also check the total from here. From here, select the payment method, apply the discount, and when you make a purchase, the balance is shown.